Every month, money is silently leaking from your bank account to pay for various AI tools. $20 for this chatbot, $30 for that automation platform, and another $50 in API credits. That is already over $100 a month before you even notice. But renting intelligence has become a real trap consuming your budget. You are building income on a mountain of subscriptions. Subscriptions that never end. You don't own these tools, you're just a tenant paying for temporary access. If you have a slow month and make no profit, you still owe the same monthly fees to the tech giants. Then a radical shift happened in the market. Nvidia recently released a small piece of hardware for $249. It completely changes the financial math of automation, putting the power in your hands instead of the cloud. The average content creator or small business owner now spends over $1,200 a year just on core AI subscriptions. Think about your own costs. You pay for a language model, an image generator, a data tool, and to link them, it's constant pressure. For example, if you run a simple workflow that researches and writes articles automatically, your API costs increase. The more successful your system, the higher the fees you're forced to pay, forming a direct tax on your hard work. This leads us to a much better framework, the local AI stack, instead of renting power from the cloud. You run models directly on your desk for a one-time fixed cost. You won't have to pay monthly anymore. It's a complete shift from variable, unpredictable monthly costs to a stable, reliable system. You take your software out of the cloud, and you put it on a real physical device. You now own the engine driving your business. But here is where most people go wrong. Many assume running AI locally requires a massive, expensive computer with graphics cards costing thousands of dollars and consuming huge amounts of power. This was true in the past. Now, everything has changed thanks to new tech. Now, you can run powerful language models on a small device that fits in your hand, using only 25 watts of power. And it costs less than a pair of high-quality headphones. This device offers up to 70 trillion operations per second. To understand the true financial impact, let's look at our first numerical example. Imagine paying for text, image, and automation plans. This standard stack often costs around $60 each month. In 1 year, that's $720. In 2 years, $1,440. Now compare that to the independent local approach. You buy the device for $249 once. You end the subscription burden. And you download open source models that are free and incredibly powerful. Your total software cost drops to zero. Have you ever actually calculated what this list of subscriptions is costing you? Have you thought about the financial leak? Let's do the math. If your cloud stack costs $60 and the device is $249, you'll break even in just 4 months. By the 5th month, your operations become almost free. This is an educational estimate only. Your actual break-even depends on your specific costs and usage. But the real financial leverage appears when your business scales. Let's say you built an automated market analysis system. If you process 1,000 files in the cloud, you might pay $150. If your work doubles, your bill doubles. Locally, the cost stays flat. Without this step, your costs increase with every growth. With it, costs stay fixed. With local gear, 5,000 files cost the same as 10. If you want to process huge data requiring 10,000 operations, the cloud might take $100 in one afternoon. Locally, the cost is zero. Let's review where we are. We're moving from a fragile system of renting intelligence to a strong one where we buy a one-time asset. We reduce budget pressure, protect our data, and gain the freedom to run infinite automation. But what is the hidden side? There are 2 main mistakes people make when moving to local AI. The first is buying the device and expecting magic. Stop here. Run this check before moving to the next step. Are you ready to learn or looking for a one-button solution? We'll clarify this. This workflow can reduce repetitive work, but it still needs setup, testing, and human review. This device is just an engine. You must build the car yourself. It requires some patience to learn and link the tools. Don't expect it to work alone on day one. The second mistake is trying to run massive models on a small device. This will make the system very slow and inefficient for work. You should use small, optimized models designed specifically for this hardware size to ensure speed and ideal performance in daily tasks. So, how do you actually execute this step by step? Here is the practical action plan you can start today to change your financial reality. Step 1. Audit your current monthly costs. Look at your bank statement carefully and identify every cloud subscription leaking money. Step 2. Pick only one task to run locally. Don't try to automate your whole life at once. Start with simple, repetitive tasks first. Choose a task like summarizing long emails or formatting spreadsheets. This will give you confidence in the local system before scaling up. Step 3. Set up the device and test your individual workflow. Don't rush results. Ensure efficiency without an internet connection first. Install a reliable free model and run your specific task until it works perfectly, saving you time, effort, and real money. Step 4. Cancel unnecessary cloud subscriptions. Once your local device handles the task reliably, stop paying others. Log into your cloud accounts and cancel subscriptions you no longer need to increase your remaining cash and save monthly expenses. By following this order, you regain control over your tech costs and eliminate the burden of continuous payments draining your budget. And you get more control over your money and tech future. It's time to be an owner, not a tenant, in the world of AI. Now, for this system to work, you need to know how to link your AI to your tasks. In the next video, I'll show you how to build the bridge. I'll show you the exact setup for the free workflow. Click the video on the screen now to see the details. I'll see you there in the next one.